Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a major update from OpenAI. ChatGPT now has scheduled reminders and recurring tasks. That's right, just today they dropped GPT-40 with this incredible new feature. In this video, I will walk you through the potential use cases and where I think this is headed. I saw a post from the Chief Product Officer at OpenAI and I'm going to show you some of the examples they shared. Let's get started. First up, I'm going to ask it to send me the latest AI news at 8 am. What's really cool is that because of the search capability, it can do research at specific intervals. Once the reminder hits, you get a notification like this. Click it and it opens ChatGPT with a conversation thread containing the latest AI news, complete with sources, just like a regular search query. Now let's schedule a few more tasks, just a minute out, so we can see how it works. I will ask for a daily weather update. Send me the weather in 1 minute. You can set this for any time, of course. You can click on the task, change its names, instructions and schedule and set it to repeat. You can use natural language for custom times like 8 am and 5 pm. And there is the weather update. Sunny skies, 58 degrees. Click the link and you get the full details. Sam Altman recently hinted at AI agents joining the workforce in 2025. This scheduling feature feels like a step in that direction. Imagine asking an agent to research the best price on finance filters every 3 months and have one delivered. While that's not fully here yet, I think this year we will see it in platforms like ChatGPT. We are seeing the pieces come together. It will search for the best price, notify you of deals, and eventually even make the purchase. That's a huge potential use case. You can also have fun with this. Generate an image every night about a children's bedtime story featuring dragons. You can even also write a script for the story. Imagine audio generation being integrated too. Another example, every day at 8 pm, send me a workout plan with a stationary bike and dumbbells. And here is the workout plan, tailored to your request. The most exciting part is where this is going. You can view all your tasks, edit them, or pause and delete them. Here is a full body dumbbell workout guide. It's really comprehensive. This raises interesting questions about using ChatGPT or specialized apps. Imagine dumping workout info ChatGPT and having it coach you. The possibilities are endless. One thing I noticed is that I did not get push notifications even with the app installed. It is still in beta, so I expect that feature to be added. So what do you think? Do you love this new feature? Do you hate it? Is this a feature of AI agents? Let me know in the comments below.